Brothers and my viewers, Bakimar here. Guess where I am? Jamaica! Yeah! And we're at the famous Roast Yam. Roast Yam, we are in Manchester. This is where you get the famous roast yam, and now they have addition roast potato, roast sweet potato with your saltfish, cook up saltfish, roast saltfish. Nice soup, you know? Yeah, enjoying Jamaica. To be here once I thought I wouldn't be here when Hurricane Melissa blew, but here I am in Jamaica having a good time with all my family. Yes. Look at the food. Looking good. I look over here. See that hurricane didn't blow over here, so look at that number 3 over there. Blow the rainbow, please. Look at that. Wow. See all the different shops here. You get the nice roast yam, saltfish soup, roast potato. Pick up to the cook.
Shop number 1, Miss Marie.
Alright, Miss Marie. How long have you been here, Miss Marie?
About 22 years.
Wow.
So you work with me
Yes,
now,
yes. And we're enjoying the roast yam so far. And now you have addition sweet potato, roast sweet potato. Pick up yourself at Bakimar.
Okay.
And you can check me on YouTube. Bakimar 1421 YouTube channel. Alright, press up yourself.
You can in the kitchen with me, you know.
You can see all the people here in the kitchen.
Yeah. So I make sure them come
One love, we say all the time. One love, J. Yeah, we're here supporting the local.
Yes.
So you're more than most of us, so yeah.
Big up head name,
Can I play that?
Enjoying the food.
Aim to play that, brother.
Jamaica, and you're in Manchester, make sure you stop right here. And get your nice roast yam and roast sweet potato now with your saltfish, whether you want the saltfish roast or you cook it up with your vegetables, different kind of soup, coconut water. All these nice things are right here. Alright? Bless up yourself, Bakimar, all the time.